Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a long shadow text in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to create a new document or another canvas and put some background. I think I'm just gonna go with pink. Now after that, just add some text. Now make sure to center your text in the middle. Now after that, just duplicate this text. And then hide the duplicated one, and then change this to color black. This will be the shadow of our text. Now on your keyboard, press Ctrl T and tilt the text for about 45 degrees, just like that. Now once you're done, make sure that you're in the layer of the text that is black, and then press Ctrl J on your keyboard and then Alt, then arrow down, and then make a copy for about 100 plus, depends on what you like. Now as you can see, it creates now a shadow effect to our text. Now on your keyboard, just press the shift and go to the last text, and then click Ctrl E. Now this will merge all the text that has been duplicated. Now click Ctrl T and then rotate it to the original position last time. Now unhide the first one and then drag it above the shadow. Then adjust it to the way you want. After that, you can add some design to the background. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.